Hi guys, Dennis Foster here again, and we were just upstairs showing all of our custom fabrication work. And what we did down here, if you come downstairs in the helm here, we put all new Raymarine monitors over here and replaced the electronics and the cat display and a lot of stuff here. And what we're really getting ready to do now, as you can see, is do some other custom renovations for the guys with the floors, some countertops, and we're doing a complete windscreen that's going to go over the windshield here so that he won't have so much sun coming in here. It's going to be like a black mesh textiling material, and that just gets snapped on the outside, so when the boat's sitting here you don't have all this hot sun that sometimes burns the dash. We call it, you know, heat damage, even though it's not, but you get the heat from the sun and it wears and tears some of the material and puts the little spots there on the vinyl over there. So we got some air conditioning running in here now. You can see we pumped some 5-ton air conditioning unit in here. It's a package unit, keep everything cool. Then we're going to get the windscreen put on here, and that'll cool everything down. And then while we have our guys and our technicians on the inside, they'll be a lot cool, comfortable, be able to work a little bit more productive than if you're hot and sweaty and trying to see if it's 4 o'clock yet. So Dennis Foster, Foster's Yacht Services, Lauderdale Marine Center, biggest shipyard in South Florida, guys. Only place to go. Signing out.